Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to log out of Playstore in Nox Player. So I'm going to go ahead and open Nox Player and Nox Assist. If I go to the Playstore in Nox Assist and open it in Nox Player, and then go to my picture in the top right hand corner, you would think there would be a log out option, but if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's nothing. If you go to Settings and scroll to the bottom, there's nothing. If you go to Settings in Nox Player, there's nothing to sign out. Oops. So you can't log out by going through the Play Store. You can't log out by going through Nox System Settings. What you actually have to do is go to Tools. Make sure you're in Nox Player and not Nox Assist for this. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Go to Google. Scroll down. Click on your picture in the top right hand corner. And go to Manage Accounts on this device. I'm going to go back for a second. Another way you can access this is go back, go to Accounts, and what you actually have to do, unfortunately, is you can't just sign out, you have to actually remove the account from this device. To do that, you're going to click on Google, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and go to Remove Account. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the tablet. Click Remove Account. I'm going to close Nox Player. Now, if you go back to Nox Assist and go to the Play Store, as you can see, now you have to sign in. So that is how you sign out of your Google Play account in Nox Player. Now, when you remove your Google Play account in Nox Player, it does say that it removes all data associated with Google Play, but you can actually still play the games and use the apps that you downloaded with Google Play before you removed it from Nox. I just wanted to point that out in case anybody was wondering. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in my next video.